Right, welcome back to Shedtune and welcome back to the workshop of dreams. So, if you watch... Right, welcome back to Shedtune and welcome back to the workshop. So, if you watched the last video that we did at Santa Prod, you'll see that I wasn't, well, I wasn't too chuffed. But, me and Dom have come up with a cunning plan.
It's a cunning plan, actually. Of course it is.
And, well, you'll probably hear a bit of rattling in the background and we'll show you what it is in a minute. Clearly we have a painting professional. We've decided that because we've got the RB engine, that we're going to make the CutDown, if you remember the CutDown. I'll insert a photo of it in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to build it back up as a full frame, put the RB engine in it and make a proper Sprinter out of it. You knows it. Yeah. So as you can see, frame's on the bench. We're going to start messing about with it and getting it to some sort of well, I don't really know what we're going to do, but it's going to look really, really good. So I'm going to insert some photos in here right now of the different colour schemes and ideas that we've had. Right now. So drop some comments, let us know what you think on colours and all the rest of it, and then, well, probably as per normal, we'll ignore you and do what we want anyway. Yep. But have a look at these. Okay, so these are some of the designs that I've come up with for the new Shedtune Sprinter. I'll show what colour I like, which is just about to come onto the screen. And here we go. What do you think? You like? It's my favourite colour so far is the yellow. However, we can change the colours of it by doing this. So we could go for a lime green, a darker green, a sort of bathroom blue colour, dark blue, all the way through to like a purple, bright pink, red, orange, then back to the yellow. Drop some comments below, let us know what you think. As I say, my favourite is the yellow. I like the design of that, how it looks, and should make for a good Sprinter. So since we straightened it, it should be good to go as a Sprinter.
It's been a CutDown, so let's give it another life.
That's right. I'm not really sure where to start though, Dom.
At the beginning.
Yeah,
no.
I
reckon SX frame, so it's got to be an SX style Sprinter.
Okay, so that's the plan then. It's an SX frame, so we're going to make it to a full frame SX style Sprinter.
Get this off of here.
Yeah.
So we've got that there.
So we're going to cut the rest of the loop off of it first.
Zip this off. Probably just do it straight here.
Okay.
Straight through there. This bit off the back, and then the loop will be off, and then we can pull all this stuff off.
Right, let's get cutting.
Down each side.
You can turn it over, do you think? Or try and get it from round here? solid stuff. There you go.
No, it's gone.
Well,
Should have just used the what do you call it? 241.
right, we've got to change the tactic now. We're going 240 volt. We've had a bit of a disaster. I don't know if you can see this, but the lens, where we've been angle grinding, it's melted into the lens. So I don't know how it looks on this camera, but on this camera, it ain't looking good. Right, so it's in the frame stand, and I think the next bit is literally cleaning all of this stuff up. What do you reckon, Dom?
Clean all this up.
Yeah.
Put some weld where I've ground a bit too deep.
Yeah.
Clean all these bits. And then put the first brace across there. The double one. And then we can work from there.
Jolly good.
And then we design the rear runners, because you don't want standard rear runners.
No.
And we'll build a frame around here to support the leg shields.
Right, so I think we've got a plan. We're going to order some bits up, and then I suppose in the next video we'll do a bit of welding, a bit more grinding, and but not bumping and grinding. Because me and Dom ain't like that.
You speak for yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, motherfucker.
Oh dear.
Fucking Laurel and Hardy.
And Dumb and Dumber or whatever. Yeah. Right, what are we doing now? I've got no idea. That's it for this video, I think. Give it a thumbs up.
Oh,
a subscribe. What?
Just realised. I'll have to find a use for the upload tank now.
He's such a tosser, isn't he? Right, anyway, as we were saying, that's going to be it for this video. Give us a thumbs up. Drop some comments about the Sprinter, as I say, and give us some feedback. See what you think.
Or don't.
Or don't, yeah. I mean, but do. And maybe, I'll tell you what, press the bell. You know, the bell thing that tells you if we've dropped a new video. Do that, because we're not doing quite as many at the moment because of work and other things. And we'll see you in the next one. Oh, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe.
And comment, because it is nice.
Yeah, and comment, yeah. Don't just say, oh, Dom's really handsome or something like that, because we all know it's not true. And maybe...
Sure they don't mean you?
No, they definitely won't be me.
Definitely won't mean you.
Yeah, definitely put some comments in, because it's nice to read them, even if they are...
If you're not sincere and you don't mean it,
and
it's still nice to read.
We do like the piss-takey ones, they do make us laugh. Right, that's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from him.
Yeah, exactly. Ta-da, bye.